Emeka Nelson Ugwueze. I'm from Enugu State, Nigeria. The name of my invention is MGBANWE C12. You might be wondering what's the name. What the name MGBANWE C12 actually means. It means to change or to transform something into something else. The objective of the invention, as derived from the name, to change or to transform. We're actually transforming non-biodegradable waste. We are talking about plastics, waterproof, nylon, these wastes that have been littering the environment. Even the waste bins, go there, you see that they compose about 90% of the waste we're seeing there. The reason why they have to pile up there and degrade the environment is because it seems the government don't even know what to do with them again. So instead of calling them waste today, I came out boldly to tell you that all these things are wealth. By the application of my machine will be able to turn them into petrol, kerosene, diesel, and even best form of interlocking stones. Now, why should my invention be picked as the winner of this year's Ola Ndi Igbo? Looking at the year's team, they say revitalizing the Kangu Igbo state. This machine is purely locally produced by us. There is no foreign component from outside to it. We actually sat down here, talked about everything, created everything on our own, and it's truly working. We already have a lab confirmation about the product and the petroleum product from NNPC, and it's real. I'm ready to produce the evidence. Thank you.